Say hello to my neighbors. These are my neighbors. Is that awesome or what? Hey, you barely see his head right now. There's a big old gator out here in the pond just behind my trailer. My my camper is approximately 30 feet from his head. He surfaced his body earlier, and then I ran to get my camera. Yeah, I ran. Yeah, I ran. No, I did not run. I went to get my camera, and as I got back, he had dropped his body back down in the water. A little bit later, if I can, I'll get a bigger picture of him or video of him, because you know I'll be watching out for him and whoever else he might have in here as relatives. But I got coffee on the cook stove, so that's it. Okay, I apologize for the wind and the lighting. I just wanted to show you I got two gators as neighbors. That beautiful one right there. And then that one right there. Well, they don't seem to be interested in anybody in particular. The cattle are right there. Calves are coming right up to the water. Not just the calves, but everybody else too. And right there's that big old gator again. So yeah, we got a couple of these guys out here. Just thought I would share that with y'all. And these, like I said, are only 25 to 30 feet away from my camper, the door of my camper. So that makes it so much more fun. All right, focus. And there's the other one. There's that one. And then there's that one. Yeah. And of course the cattle. Let me see if I get this to focus a little bit better. There we go. And the cattle are right there. See? Everybody getting along. Cool. I had to come in from out in the wind. I just got to finishing up my dishes. And I had lost track of the gators because I was distracted. And so after I finish up my dishes, I look up, and to my surprise, the two big gators disappeared, and there's two smaller gators in there. So I have 4 gators in that pond, and they're 25, 30 feet away from the back door of my camper, the only door of my camper. I have one exit. So this is going to be fun. I looked around. There's no trails coming up this way where you see when a gator walks, he drags his tail, and usually it leaves a pretty good distinctive track. And I don't see any tracks coming up this way, so technically I'm not really worried about it. And the way I see it, with all the calves that run around that pond, if the gators are hungry, they'll eat a calf before they'll come after me. That's easy pickings out there. So yeah, anyway, that's what's going on right now, and me hanging out with the gators. Talk to y'all later. Boy, I hope you got that.